Good morning, Chef here. Thought I would share something with you today. This is a old elm tree that actually was dead. It got cut back and now it's shooting out a new branch. This is actually one of the neighbor's trees, and I noticed walking past the other day I had a pheasant back mushroom popping up over here. So mushroom identification is something that comes with experience and wisdom and time. You want to be pretty sure on what you're eating, and like myself, if you've eaten it before, then you know it's good. So this is a pheasant back mushroom. You can tell by the color and the pattern on there. Also, the bottom has some spore lines, and I'm going to show you this in great detail and how to prepare it. So follow along. And a quick note, wisdom and knowledge comes with age and experience. Don't believe everything you see or read on the internet. And just because you're smart doesn't mean you know a lot about nature and mushrooms. You're going to keep learning. I want to give you a little close-up of this mushroom, and you can see just how beautiful it is. And the fact that it's edible is the bonus. Really cool looking mushroom. I'm going to try to harvest and utilize the top portion of this mushroom and leave the larger one on the bottom to grow some more. I'm also going to take some of the spores and repopulate them onto this semi-dead elm tree. Hopefully water it a few times and make these spores come back into more mushrooms. I've got a pie plate and a small knife. To harvest this, I'm going to try to get in here very carefully and cut it off, removing only what I need. That's the thing about nature's gifts. You're only supposed to take part of it, and then it will keep giving back to you. It's attached pretty good. These are the spores right in here. This is the pheasant back pattern right in here. Looks like the tail of a pheasant. And the edible part is the nice, thick, white, fleshy. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. Nothing but high quality. Buy quality the first time. Blueberries, I like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. You're gonna like it. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.